we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting related words. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce it 3 ways, in French for reference because this is a word of French origin, as well as how it is said in British English and in American English. In France it is said as liqueur, liqueur. In British English this is normally said as liqueur, liqueur. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as liqueur, liqueur in American English versus liqueur in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.